You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, premium sound system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.